Happy Wednesday, folks. Here we are at Calhoun's on the riverfront. University of Tennessee and Knoxville, Tennessee. We returned our 2 flat-tired car today at the airport, so we decided to take a little excursion in Knoxville. We're going to the World's Fair grounds from here in Knoxville from 89, I think. And we're going to go up the Sun Sphere, and we're going to take a walk down the Riverwalk. And that will be our afternoon. And then we'll head back to probably Gatlinburg to do some fun stuff before the rain comes. We found a fountain and some kids playing in the fountains.
Falls.
Oh, fake falls, yes.
As fake as any falls.
Oh, and a swing. Oh, another swing. Sit with me on this one. Come on.
I'm in a hurry.
Swing.
Nobody wants to see your swing.
Yeah, they do.
Nope.
Yep.
I want to see you trip, fall, and fail.
All right, up we go. Train on the tracks on our walk. Alright, it looks fake, but here we are on the observation deck, level 4 of the Sun Sphere. We can't go all the way up to the top. Everything else is private from here on out. This is the...
Free admission to the Museum of Art.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is the Veterans Memorial. I think he's in the way. Freedom of speech. Remember, World War I.
Did that say
World War
freedom
II.
of speech?
Freedom of speech.
Oh, that means we can speak out against anyone we want to? And they don't send us back to our country?
I guess so.